हमारे भाई सतपाल आ रहे हैं वीडियो में।
अरे ये तो पकड़ ले, इसे तो पकड़ ले भाई, डाल ले BTS पे, ठीक है?
ये डल रहा है।
इससे भाई ऐसे होता है।
फाइनल टेक स्टार्ट।
So guys, this is day 2 and we are in Pune. यहाँ से निकल पड़े, we were staying in Orchid Hotel. यहाँ से हम जा रहे हैं पहले एक बहुत ही नामी बंदे का इंटरव्यू लेने और इसके बाद हम जाएंगे उनकी फैक्ट्री, आपको विजिट कराएंगे. What are the latest technologies when you talk about constructing a building and taking care of how the parking spaces and the car hassles need to be maintained? Yes guys, so before you think about anything else, let's wait and see till the end of the video to know आज हम किससे मिले, कहाँ मिले, कैसे मिले और डे 2 का रियल एस्टेट कारवां हमारा कैसा रहा. Thank you sir, thank you. Please come sir. Hi sir, Alicia, कैसे हैं sir?
गुड गुड। कम यामिनी, शर्मा जी को बुलाओ।
Hi Yamini, how are you?
Hi Yamini, hi Alicia.
Heading this factory now.
Amazing. Women power is going well.
शर्मा जी को बुलाओ।
Hello.
Call Mr. Sharma also. आइए sir, आइए please.
आओ शर्मा जी आओ।
So also you can sit.
बस यार.
Yeah, thank you sir. Hi sir. Hi, good morning. Please come sir. Alicia. आइए please.
Sir, you can sit. Sir, आप इधर बैठो. Please come.
आप इधर आ जाओ, मैं उधर बैठती हूँ. हाँ.
आओ। अलीशा को आने दो।
Thank you sir. Thank you so much. We are doing everything.
And you came? Sir, I came yesterday only. ना?
Yesterday.
We were in Godrej. Then we met
Panvel City.
Nandani.
Yes.
And तो पूरा एक कैंपेन करते हुए जा रहे थे. तो मेरा स्टॉप पुणे तक ही था. मतलब दो इंटेलीपाक was there. That's why I'm here.
Yes.
मैंने ईशा को बोला, मैंने कहा कि we are going and the इंटेलीपाक करके now she is heading towards Dholera.
Dholera. The next stop is Dholera.
Then पूरा whole the complete wherever she is going, we are promoting IntelliPark and all. We have created a lot of videos.
Yes. Everywhere
15 plus
sponsors.
cities we
Yeah.
have got.
15 plus cities।
Yes, sir.
कितने दिन का ट्रिप है?
15 days. I have a target of 15 days, 15 cities in the honor of 15th August. That's what the Indian flag and everything. That's an honor.
Around 15 plus we are meeting almost 30 plus builders.
Yes.
We met
Because
Kiran and Nani ji, we are discussing the challenges of the parking. We are coming up with, so with this ask what is it that IntelliPark is, what is that, who are all are the
best ones I think we were deciding yesterday to suggest is Dholera, because the entire SIR city is yet to now start building up and they are the ones who really need, I think, the parking solutions first. No. Okay, so we are live guys. We are today at IntelliPark Solutions and this is why should we opt IntelliPark Solutions, why the actual name represents intelligent. Why is parking now an intelligent matter? That we'll ask Mr. Narendra Goyal here sitting with me. He's the owner here of IntelliPark Solutions. And guys, this is one of his newest kind sort of project that we wanted to cover. It's an essence of the ongoing construction and the kind of infrastructure the government is building all across India. So sir, the first question is that IntelliPark Solutions, kyun? Why?
Okay, so we are from Sham Global Technoventures Private Limited.
Okay.
We are around 8.5-year-old organization. We are one of the large genset manufacturing company.
Right.
So we are one of the top 5-6 genset manufacturing company in
Oh
India.
wow, amazing.
And we are based out of Pune. And we have our operation across Maharashtra, Goa.
Right.
And we have customer across India and different part of globe also.
Right.
So our major customers are construction companies, real estate developers, and then when we were interacting with them, the new problem statement came from those people that although you are providing power solution, power genset, but the another problem is the parking.
Right.
And all the developers were facing problem. They wanted a right solution for parking.
Correct.
And as we are one of the large genset manufacturer and we have a huge, big fabrication setup, we thought that we will venture into this.
Right.
Another reason, we are also partner to a company called Peer Robotics. Those are a Detroit-based, US-based robot solution company.
Oh my God.
Okay, so
This
we
is a
are
surprise.
manufacturing partner for them.
Okay.
And we do automation solution with them.
Right.
So there we understood automation.
Right.
So we said that this is a good amalgamation between what we do in fabrication as well as automation. So that's how IntelliPark born.
Okay.
And IntelliPark is India's one of the latest or most advanced parking solution today for
Today
all
from,
the
yeah.
all the real estate developers.
Right.
So it is a kind of our solution to urbanization of India.
Right. So we have someone, a young lady here sitting with me, Yamini ji, one of the most important part of IntelliPark Solutions. So according to you, my most important question is that when young girls join businesses, I'm going little off track because I'm also a woman and people ask me कि औरत होके ये कर रहे हैं, and this is also I think mostly a man dominated sector. It's not a women sector definitely. Like real estate was never a women dominated sector. So what do you think? Do you face some challenges when it comes to dealing with people who are male dominated industries like builders and all of that? What do you have to say about that?
So, like, yeah, definitely, like you said, it is a male-dominating
Right.
segment.
Right.
Yeah. But challenges are there.
Right.
But you have to overcome those challenges because in the end, you have to be out there.
Right.
So, I have always dreamt of like owning a business, doing something of my own. But gladly, he started before me and gave me a platform to do
That's
this
I think
thing.
the best part.
So yeah, challenges come and go, but it's how you face them, the confidence that you have within yourself,
Right.
and you just have to overcome them. That's it.
Right.
So
So
I think from last 2 years,
Yeah.
so obviously the platform has been created by Nayan Goyal sir,
Right.
and the legacy has already been created.
Ji.
But the best part, what I liked about from last 2 years, that she's very proactive.
Yeah.
And whatever she is doing, she's very. Whether you talk about the follows, whether you talk about the work, whether you talk about the perfection. Like in real estate, we also say you need a perfection and on-time delivery.
Right.
This is what I feel that Yamini did from last. Yamini was doing from last 2 years. So I think sir is also here. So sir will also feel that last 2 years, so कुछ तो changes हो रहे हैं.
of course होए होंगे.
We keep trying new things. Like nobody has thought about this कि यार ऐसा कुछ करेंगे. या मतलब we do lot of activities, marketing activities बहुत सारी करते हैं. But
Right.
the kind of platform that you guys and I've just proposed sir कि सर ऐसा हो रहा है कि तो Shang, he's always interested कि सर चलो कुछ नया करते हैं. Let's see what's something new. Let's check it out.
जी.
So this is what the core of Sham Global and IntelliPark is, and obviously Yamini is here. So this is that. But you rightly said that. Factories and real estate is a male-dominated company, but I think the industry has been now changing.
Yes.
It's changing,
Yes.
and the people like Yamini and you, they are changing the game that how this industry is being perceived.
Exactly.
So what do you?
मैं यही सुनना चाहती थी कि हम लोग चेंज कर रहे हैं, आप लोग नहीं, ठीक है? है ना? Glad to hear that. तो मैं और यामिनी तो इस बात पे ये cheers कर देंगे.
Final take, start.
Special thanks to God Sun, जिनके बिना ये मुमकिन नहीं होता. मुंबई का co-sponsor Novel Organic Farms, माँ पीताम्बरा, Group Shubh Anandam, Park IntelliPark. are building 100 square yards property or up to a 50,000 square feet property, they provide solutions for the largest land spaces possible. अब हम यहाँ से जा रहे हैं for our next stop in Dholera. See you all there.